holes right here, and then let me make a throw. Oh, cool. Let me pick it up. It's right here already. Let me pick it up, guys. So check this out one more time, guys. It's flies so straight and far away. I don't know how far can this one flies. So let me fix the head again, and then let me hold up, and then throw it super hard and far to see how it can fly. Okay. Wow! Wow! Let's go through the tree. Did you see that? Let me pick it up. The twist is very hard. Test flies. Let's do it now. First step, I'm going to fold the paper in half. On this tutorial, I will do it very slow. I will do it very slowly because I want to show you guys every step. Now, after I fold the paper in half, I unfold the paper. I have the center crease. I will start from the upper edge of the paper, and I'll start from both sides of the edge to the center crease. So we'll do it slowly. Note that I leave a small gap between the two sides of the paper. This is very important. Okay, once I finish one side, I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay, so I'm finished with the upper part of the paper airplane. Next step, I'll start from this edge forward to the center crease. Again, you will see that I leave a small gap, so I just do it this way. Okay, and I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So start from this upper edge forward to the center crease, and again I leave a small gap between the two parts of the blend. Two parts of the paper. Okay, so now press this down. Small gap, remember, not a huge gap. So let's do it. You may need to adjust it a little bit. Here we go. Alright, so I finished. On the following step, I will start from this side of the paper and forward to the center crease. And I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So from this side, I forward to the center crease. If you see there is a small discrepancy between this size and this size, we need to fix this. So I need to fix this a little bit. Make sure that both sides are even. Okay, now let's look much better. Okay. Okay, on the following step, I'm going to start from this edge forward to the center crease. Again, I leave a small gap between this side and the other side. This is important. Okay, so I finished this side, and I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay, so now is how the paper airplanes look like. On the following step, I'll fold the paper in half first. just like how you make the arrow, okay, you will need to fold the wings. Okay, I've realized this size is up a little bit, so I will adjust it first. I will hold the paper right here so that I can fold this part of the paper back. Okay, alright, and now fold the paper in half again. Now I'm going to create the wings. Okay, so fold the paper in half like this. Make sure that both sides are even and stay nicely. So I just adjust the paper. On the following step, I will estimate about 1 inch, 2 inch, 2.5 inches. Okay, this part you can use your finger as a reference as well. So use my finger and fold it right here. But you will fold this part here. The distance here is about 1 inch. Okay, so let's put like 1 inch. Make sure that this is about 1 inch. Okay, hold the paper and fold slowly. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay, you fold this here already and repeat the same fold for the other side. When you fold this side, you know that this part of the paper will pop up. That's fine. Alright, so I'll fold down and I will make sure that both sides are even. That is very important, that both sides are even. So now I can see both sides are even. I will adjust this part of the paper. Okay, and I fold down like this. Okay, so both sides of the paper are even. I'm going to create the stabilizers. So for this part of the paper, make sure that when you fold the paper, it needs to parallel with this upper part or the center part of the paper, whatever you want to call it. So adjust and fold it. Okay, I will adjust it a little bit too. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. Okay, one of the easiest way you can fold is you can just match this edge to the edge of the below edge right here. So you can do it that way too. So I'm going to do that because this will be much easier for me to control the fold. Okay, it's much easier. Alright. Okay, so I just finished the paper airplane, but at this point the plane won't fly far. You need to do a few more steps in order to help the plane fly further. Now let me show you. First step, let's fold this part, the stabilizer, down to enhance the stabilizer. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright, so now the stabilizer is stronger. Make sure that you force very hard to have this part stay all together. Here we go. So we finished the stabilizers. The next step is to create the elevators. Without the elevators, the plane won't fly very far. So let me fold this part and let me fold this part as well. Now we have the stabilizers, we have the elevators, that's we have the plane fly. Let's take a look at this. You need to fold this stabilizer out a bit, okay? It shouldn't stick to each other. Here we go. So when you throw the plane, it will look like this. So stabilizer are straight. Okay, here we go. Let me hold this part of the top of the plane here, and then you can see the stabilizers are parallel now. This is perfect. If it's not parallel, the plane will not fly well. Alright, so here we go. This is a new awesome paper airplane. I hope that you guys enjoy making this paper airplane. This is a paper airplane for the new year of 2022, and I hope that you guys will keep supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.